The hazard lights right here. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We're working on the Caprice again. We're going to be adding that third brake light. It's a little cheap one that we picked up on, I think I got them on Amazon. It's like 10-15 bucks. We'll go ahead and run this up. Alright guys, this is the LED strip that I got. It's let me see. It's just this right here. It's 40 inches long and about, I don't know, it's about half an inch. I don't know why it has a hair on it. But this is it right here. We're gonna put it in the back, on top of the back glass right there. So I'm gonna have it run only when you press the brake, and the hazards and the directions also. And these are sequential, so it should look pretty decent. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the car right now and we're gonna see how to do it. All right, so there's a light and there's the cord that comes off of it right here. It's pretty long, it's like 4 or 5 feet. And it has like a little box right here and it tells you which wire does what. So we're gonna tap into the lights. You gotta figure out where to tap into, but we're gonna see right now. So first let's install this and then we'll run the wire down and we'll find the wires to tap into. Guys, we're inside the car right now and we're gonna run the LED right up against that that trim on top. So we gotta find the center point so that way it's even on both sides. So let me go ahead and grab we'll grab a tape measure and then we'll tape one side and the other side should be straight. All right guys, I put this I don't know, you call it a ruler, a huge ruler right here. So this ruler measures 48 inches. So right here in the center it has like this little plastic thing right there. So right here is 24 inches, so that's the halfway point. And this rope is this LED string, or I don't know what you call it, LED strip, is 40 inches long. So I just added 20 inches on each side. So right here will be 44. And I put a piece of tape, so that's where it's gonna start, right where that tape is at, and it's gonna run all the way over here till it ends. So that's my center point. So this has a like sticky tape, double-sided tape right here. You just take it off, and this I will be able to stick onto the to that window right there, that glass. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now, and I'll stick it right underneath that trim. All right, I got it installed. You can see I got the cord, the cable coming out on that side. I'm just gonna tuck it behind there, bring it underneath that rear deck and into the trunk and see where I can tie it in. All right, let's tuck this cable in. See right here, you can take it apart. Like that. Remove this deck right here. I took the screws out already. This is the one I made right here, guys. If you guys want to see how to make this, man, just look at my channel and then you'll find it, or I'll probably put a link right there so you guys can see. All right, now let's go behind that trunk and see what we got. All right guys, this is the trunk back here. I'm gonna have to move my enclosure so I can get access to the wire back there. So this car does not come with the factory third brake, so I'm gonna see where I can tap in. Let me scoot this box forward and I'll cut you back right now. Alright guys, I'm in the back of the trunk now. Move the box the most as I can, so this is all of the room I have. This cable right here comes on the rear driver's side, the back seat. You see this black cable. I think this one has all the cables for the lights. So I'm gonna cut into it and I'm gonna expose all the wires. Then I'm gonna start finding which one goes where with the test light. So let me go ahead and get this cut, and I'll cut you back and I'll match all the wires for you guys. So if you guys have a caprice like this one, I guess it works from like 80 or 81 to like maybe 90 and 89. It should all be the same, unless you have a third brake light that goes like right there, but I don't have it. But it should be the same colors. So let me run it. Let me cut you back right now. See it light up? That's the left turn signal because I have it on right now. This is constant power, the orange one. See? Lights up. Up. This one's the left, so that means this one's the right. Let me go turn it on right now. Alright guys, this green one right here is the right turn signal. See it turned on. This one didn't, and this is still constant. Now I gotta find my ground and my brake. Alright, right there it looks like the direction is going to the left, but I have the selector inside for the right, so that means that these two yellow wires right here are crossed. So it's the green and the beige, and because those yellow lines that come from the third brake light, they're not even marked, they're just both yellow, and one says yellow with red line is right or something like that, but they're both solid yellow, so that's why I didn't know which one. So now I know that it's backwards, so I'm just gonna switch them, and then I'll cut you on right now. I'll let you know when I'm done with it. I'm gonna show you all of them, the colors are supposed to match. That way you don't have to go through all this, because right now I'm using my test light right there. I'm using it to test every single one of those wires. But if you have an 85 Chevy Caprice like me, it should be the same exact thing. Alright guys, so this is what it came down to right here. These yellow wires went to the green, that's a signal. That dark green wire, I don't know if you can see it. Man, these wires are all in the way. That green one right there went to one of the yellow ones. And then there's like beigeish color. That one went to the other yellow one. And then the red went with this orange. This orange line right here goes to the red. And then the black, I actually did my own ground right here. And then the white, I actually ran it all the way to my brake light because I couldn't figure it out, guys. So this goes all the way to my brake light, to my brake pedal, I mean. And I'm gonna show you right now how I did it. And then this green one, which is supposed to be like a running light, I'm not gonna do a running light, I'm just gonna leave it like that. So it's only gonna work when I press the brake, the signal, and the hazards. And then right now I'm gonna put a double-sided tape, and I'm gonna take this little thing up right here, then I'll just tape it so it can look nice and clean. But I'll tape all this up right now, and I'll cut you back. Alright guys, as you can see, I put some zip ties right here, make it look clean. I put some double-sided tape right there, so it can look pretty decent, you know. I try to make my wiring look okay as much as I can since I'm already back here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I did the brake light right now at the brake pedal. So if you guys have like a 80, I don't know what years don't have the third light, the third brake light, that usually goes like right here inside there. But this is how I did it. You can see I have this wire running right there. It goes to the trunk. I'm gonna move it, but right now I'm gonna tuck it in later. Right now I'm showing you where I tapped in, right on that brake right here. So right there, right behind the brake switch, there's a white wire that I just tapped into. Right there on the switch of the brake, I just tapped into that one, which is the signal that gives it signal for the back lights to turn on. But like I said, guys, I'm not a professional. But I've been out here for 2 hours trying to put this damn thing. Doesn't be like a 30-minute job, but I guess only like a maybe like an 86 through 90 probably have those because I have an 87 and that one has that light and I could just tap into that one, but gotta do it the hard way today. It's all good though, guys. Let me put everything together and I'm gonna show you how it looks. All right, guys, that's what we got so far. I know it's kind of loud, but there's a left one right there. There's the right. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm already working on the next video, and it's actually gonna be coating all the bottom of this car, the frame, doing some undercoating. I already started. We started recording for the next video. You know your boy's always hustling. Well, if you guys like the content, man, go ahead, subscribe, comment down below. Tell me what you think. You got a better idea how to tap into that brake, because that's the way I found out. But yeah, stay tuned for the next one, guys. Peace.